Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is how many leads will content marketing produce per month? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, today's topic, before I get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, how many leads will content marketing produce per month? This is a question I've been asked many times on LinkedIn, direct messages, on Twitter as well, and also by new or incoming clients. And it's an important one because obviously content marketing, where you place emphasis on delivering value-added content to your prospects and leads, and it's quite an involved process. You have to produce good pieces of content, written content, video content, and then you have to distribute it effectively on the ideal platforms. And if you know this channel or you watch other videos on this channel, you know that I concentrate on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and this is for a B2B perspective. So how many leads will it produce? I'm going to say 4 to 10. So most of the clients that we work with experience a number of leads between 4 and 10 per month based on a comprehensive and consistent content marketing strategy. Let's reverse engineer that now. What does that mean in terms of content production and content distribution? First of all, it means on your blog posts, you are on your blog page, your company blog page, you're producing at least one piece of content per week. So that's 4 pieces of content. If you have a YouTube channel for your business, and I strongly recommend that you do have a YouTube channel, we can talk about that. There's lots of videos about how to utilize video for your B2B company or organization. Then you should also be producing one piece of video content per week at least. So based on one blog content, one piece of video content per week, and they could be on the same theme, so they don't need to be separate themes. It could be one combined theme per week, producing that, and then generating obviously distribution, tweets and updates on the key social network platforms. So LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. YouTube would be via the community post page. Then you will be able to generate leads. Now, is there an optimum level in terms of number of pieces of content? Yes, if you want to be effective, you're going to need more than a few pieces of content. If you've only got 4, 5, maybe 10 pieces of content in total, you're going to have to circulate that too much on your social media platforms for it to be effective. What I mean by that is your audience, your leads and prospects are going to see those same pieces of content over and over again if you've only got 10. Once you get to, it's not a magical number, but let's say you get to the number of 50, you've got 50 blog posts or 50 pieces of content, some of that blog content, some of that video content. That is a good number to be working with from a content library perspective. That means that you've got 50 different messages and themes running through your content, which can provoke your leads and prospects to obviously read, be educated by the value you're delivering in the post, but also think, this is a company that understands the problems we're facing and knows how to go about solving them. So this is somebody we want to be in contact with. Let me just make this more specific in terms of marketing fundamentals. We have a blog that has 570 something blog posts, and that's going back 10 years. And then on the YouTube channel you're watching now, we're approaching 400 videos. So there's a large bank of pieces of content offering value-added content to our leads and prospects. When you've got to good numbers in terms of 50, as I mentioned, for sort of blog and for video, you'll start to see more of a return on your time invested. It's a slow process at the start because you don't have enough pieces of content, but when you've got up to 50 and you're approaching 100 and so on, and as you'll get to those figures because you'll be producing them on a weekly basis, when you're doing that, you'll start to see the number of leads that you produce through your social channels and through your content, and in response to your content, will increase to that ratio that I've talked about at the start of this video, which is 4 to 10 leads per month. And I think that's a good level. those are leads, and you have to then have the wherewithal, the expertise and experience to convert those leads into actual clients. These figures stand true even during the pandemic. Obviously, it's a challenging time. People are still wanting to do business, and businesses are still wanting to find experts in the field. Areas where they don't have in-house capacity, they want to find experts. Content marketing will help them identify you as experts. You'll be able to build up a rapport and a relationship with them, and then obviously start working with them when you've had some negotiations and you've been able to find agreement and move forward. So I hope this short video has been useful to you. The question, as I said, is one of the most regularly asked questions. How many leads would content marketing produce? There's going to be some variation in terms of the level of activity that you're undertaking, your proficiency in distributing your messaging and your posts and your content via social media management tools. And that's something we can definitely help with. So get in contact with me, and my details are always in the description box, and I'll be happy to discuss those with you. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on one or two screenshots to watch another video. And if you haven't subscribed already, I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye. How to get your free LinkedIn content marketing checklist. If you're on my YouTube page, and this is my YouTube page, you'll see now I've made an addition here in this banner on the right. There's now this button says free LinkedIn content marketing checklist. A lot of my, if you're new to the channel, I should explain, a lot of my focus on my channel is teaching B2B business owners and B2B marketing people how to use relevant social media for them to get more leads and clients for their businesses. The platforms that I concentrate on: YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So here's a free LinkedIn content marketing checklist. If you want that, you just simply need to click on this, and it'll take you to this page on the Marketing Fundamentals website. You need to fill out your information, not a lot, just your name, your email. Click here, make a decision there, and then click on get checklist.